Morning students. Today we see numerical sum fifth chapter heat. Heat chapter के numerical sum आज लोग देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है देखो. मीन्स A equal heat is given to two objects A and B of mass 1 gram. Temperature of A increases by 3 degrees Celsius and by B by 5 degrees Celsius. Which object has more specific heat and by what factor? Here given the mass of the objects and temperature of the objects. Here Q is the same, means specific heat is same, and rise in temperature given here, and we want to calculate which object have the more specific heat. So let us see. First given, let us see first example. First we see given mass of the objects m 1 gram, delta T1 means temperature of the object A, delta T1 means temperature of the object A is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. Delta T2 temperature of the object B is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Q is same in both case. Q is same for two objects. So now we use formula. Q is equal to MC1 delta T1 equal to MC2 delta T2. M is same, means mass is same of two objects. So M is equal C1 specific heat of A object, C2 specific object heat of B object, delta T1 rise in temperature of object A and T2 rise in temperature of object B. Therefore now see M is same here, so C1 by C2 is equal to delta T2 by T1 delta T2 by delta T1 is equal to 5, delta T is equal to 5 degrees Celsius upon delta T1 is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. So 5 upon 3 equal to 5 upon 3 means C1 is greater than C2. C1 is greater than C2 means C2 specific heat of C1 is greater than C2 means here specific heat of A is more than B. Okay. Now see next example B. Liquid ammonia is used in ice factory for making ice for water. If water at 20 degrees Celsius to be converted into 2 kilogram ice at 0 degrees Celsius, how many grams of ammonia are to be evaporated? Liquid ammonia is used के आइस फैक्ट्री में to making ice from water, and water is converted into ice, 2 kg of ice at 0 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the water is 20 degrees Celsius. तो हमें क्या निकालना है इधर? latent heat of vaporization of ammonia. क्या निकालना है इधर हमें? latent heat of vaporization of ammonia. तो latent it is given here 341 किलोग्राम निकालना है हमें. वेपोराइजेशन, how much ammonia is evaporated, how much ammonia is evaporated, ए क्वांटिटी अमोनिया की क्वांटिटी निकालनी है हमें. तो गिवन डेटा इज देखो m1 इज इक्वल टू 2 kg, m1 इज इक्वल टू 2 kg. डेल्टा T1 वाटर का टेम्परेचर दिया 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एंड C1 दिया है 1 किलो कैलोरी. वन किलो कैलोरी पर किलोग्राम डिग्री सेल्सियस. and latent heat of ammonia, latent heat of is equal to 341 calories per gram. C1 means what? Ice, and also latent heat of ice L1 is equal to given 80 kilocalorie per kilogram, and L2 is equal to 341 degree Celsius calories per gram. L2 341 calories per gram. And we want to calculate M2 मास निकालना है. हमें अमोनिया कितना वेपोराइज हो गया ये अमोनिया का मास निकालना है. तो Q1 is equal to here heat loss by water is equal to M1 C1 delta T1 is equal to M1 L1 plus M1 L1 plus M1 L1. M1 कितना है 2 kg, into C1 1 kilo calorie per gram into C1 1 kilo calorie per kg degree Celsius into T1 20 degree Celsius plus M1 mass 20 kg into L1 80 kilocalorie, 80 kilocalorie per kg. तो देखो अभी 2 into 1 2 into 20 40 किलो कैलोरी प्लस 20 into 80, 20 into 80, 160 kilo calorie. Add this 160 plus 40, 200 kilo calorie. Now Q2 is equal to heat absorbed by ammonia is equal to M2 into L2. M2 तो निकालना है हमें, L2 पता है 341 कैलोरीज पर ग्राम. Therefore M2 is equal to, ये हमने हीट एब्सॉर्ब बाय वाटर निकाला है, तो क्या आएगा 200 डिवाइडेड बाय हीट एब्सॉर्ब बाय अमोनिया 341 kg. एक कैलकुलेट करो. तो आंसर योर आंसर इज 0.5865 kg. इसका क्या करना है, ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो क्या कितना ग्राम आएगा 586.5 ग्राम. Means heat evaporated by ammonia sorry 586.5 gram of ammonia are to be evaporated. Okay, here we stop. Remaining two examples we solve in next lecture. Thank you.